Good morning friends, welcome back to the channel. And yes, we are leaving again, and this time we are doing the trip which we have been waiting for. So let's go quickly. Everything is checked. We just reached Limon, and we are very end of the Limon actually, if you can see that. So it took us like 2.5 hours to reach over there. We are going slowly because we're not in a hurry to reach MANZANILLO today. So we spent like 5 minutes and now we are heading back. We'll go towards MANZANILLO and we'll meet you over there, and then we'll talk about what is this trip is all about. So we have reached, and it's a good weather as of now. We're just going out to have some lunch and see if we can find something good. And once we come back, I'll show you the room. It's a very basic room. I think they just took over the hotel, and the location is very good. The property is good. It's just that they have to maintain, and they have to I will say build it a little bit better, and it will be good. So this place, Soda Maxi, the food is good. We really love the food. We actually had two plates. So let me tell you why we came here. Ever since we moved to Costa Rica and heard that the coastal areas are not that far apart and we can cover them within a single day, so I thought, why not we do a trip wherein we can see the sunrise on the Caribbean side and see the sunset on the Pacific side in same day. So that's why we are here. So we are here in Manzanillo, which is on the Caribbean side, and we're going to see the sunrise tomorrow morning over here, which is around 5:30 a.m. or 5:40 a.m. and then we are going to drive from here to La Cruz, which is around 400 kilometers from here, and it's like a 8-hour drive from here, and we are going to see the sunset on the same day from the Pacific side. So that's the plan for tomorrow, and hopefully I can see there some clouds, and also somewhere the clouds are not there, the weather is open, but fingers crossed. We need to see if we are able to see the sunrise actually tomorrow morning or not. So that's the plan. So we just had an amazing dinner, and now we're just going to go and sleep, and I'll see you tomorrow during the sunrise. Bye bye.